Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to do a hand holding a rope. We have done a video before of a hand holding a rope, but we are now showing the palm view, so the hand from this side. So if you have your pencils all set, we will quickly put this thing together. So the first thing that again we need to put in is the rope. I think this thick might be better. Now if it's a thin rope, it'll be harder for you to practice it. So let's imagine that it's like one of those big ropes that we use around let's say shipping, like around ships. So they have this girth about them so that they can really hold together huge objects. So what we're going to do is put in, we can do this so many ways, but I think one essential way to do this in is to put the butt of the hand, or the palm as I said, together here first. So the nice round oval, and then of course the wrist. So the oval, the wrist, the bottom of the hand, and then we go upward into the fingers, and here we can go and do the spider-like the spider-like thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's put those in for now. The knuckles are here, with the index finger knuckle probably not showing in this angle and just blending in there with this one. So now the rope, it cannot be straight from this angle. It's straight here going into the fingers, but then it goes around something like that and curls over the hand like so. Pretty much just like, you know, squeeze it in here behind the fingers, these two fingers. These two fingers may not necessarily engulf the rope in them. So we will see how it goes. So as we move like step by step into this. So we start with the little finger here, and it is outstretched in the sense that the bend is right there, so just flat, and then that, and the knuckle. So it's like a clip shape, a clip shape. This one pretty much the same, so flat, and then we go into the knuckle. And you could highlight it because the rope is going to make all these things pop out. And then this finger here, however, a bit raised. So same concept but raised, and then going around like that with the knuckle just behind that one. And then this one, the knuckle not really showing as much, going all the way there and just around there. So it's just like cards that are going like that. Now, of course, it's not as perfect always, so you'll have to do variations. You'll have to Google some images and check it out. But there's the butt of the hand, skin folds, wrist. And then of course you will just focus on the rope. The rope, one, just go like that first if you want to, you know, make this a shortcut, and then just go around like that, and it is sort of a rope. And now as for the thumb, now there's different ways to actually put it, and all you will really end up doing is something like that right on top here, and then right here, 1, 2, 3, and then you could perhaps, you know, have it like come in like that, or you could have it going here. Again, it's all up to you how you want to position the rope around the hand, but it will definitely coil and it will go in that particular direction. And then of course, if you have a light source that you're working with and you want to throw the light source on from the top, it will be somewhere along those lines that you'll have to put in tones and some shadows. And of course the rope will also incorporate those according to its shape. You will have to work into each what you call knot there, so it's entwined, and depending on what the material is and how detailed you want this to be, you'll have to work the shadows against the light source, in this case, as I said, coming from above and working that way into it. Of course, you will have to put some little detail on the knuckles, namely the finger lines where they belong, then perhaps some shadow against the fingers that are encompassing others, and just some minimal tone, because these fingers are essentially somewhat away from the light source, so you'll have to put in some tones there, right there into the thumb. And then I'll just even this out so it doesn't look as gross, and we have a hand holding the rope from that particular angle, from the palm view, from the, well, I could say it's from the side, but it's essentially the palm view. So thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, keep in touch, have yourself a wonderful day. So this far along, so we can again just refine those little bits, and again, that's all up to you how you would like to add in all those skin lines and all those details. Perhaps you can clean this up a little bit. If I had a better, I need to just go with a slightly cleaner look, but the general idea is that we have the hand in that position. So do try it out and have your own angles, have fun with it. Please do subscribe, keep in touch, have yourself a wonderful day.